welcome back everybody. So here I am. This is the parking area for Dukes Creek Falls, and you can see it has a little kiosk here for you to buy your park pass. So it's a $4 park pass. You have to use a debit or credit card, but here's the view off the parking lot. It's really nice. And so this is Dukes Creek Falls. I think it's right at 2 miles round trip. I can't remember how much elevation change it is. It starts off paved, and I see a lot of stairs. But even though it's 2 miles, it's listed online as easy, so not really worried about the hike. It'll be nice. There was a big group of ladies that went in front of me, so I was just giving them a chance to get down through there. But it does have bathrooms as well. That's something else. Both parks we've gone to so far have, and plenty of parking. So this one, it is literally, I think it was 12 minutes down the road from Anna Ruby. So like I said, if you're trying to find some stuff in the area, you can schedule, or you can plan out Anna Ruby, Dukes Creek, Tissot Falls. Those are ones that I want to try to do today, get all of them done. But there is just so much in this area you can hike and waterfalls to see. It's definitely worth taking the time to explore. So probably going to see them here in just a minute, but I'm gonna go ahead and head down this trail, and I will see everybody at the falls, and we'll see what Tissot Falls looks like. Thanks for coming back. Absolutely launching the drone right here. Oh, this is awesome. Let me go up here and look at this side, and I'm putting the drone in the air. All right, everybody, this is the view from Dukes Creek Falls. This is where I'm gonna end it off. Got to fly the drone around a little bit, and I'm hoping the footage turned out well. It was a little shaky, hard to get a good signal down here, of course. We're down in the middle of a valley, but beautiful falls, look great from the air too, and cute little falls on that side as well. And this is the second one so far, and everybody's been real nice. So I'm gonna call it quits. I'm gonna head to the next falls. Thank you everybody for coming back, and I will see you at DeSoto Falls. Everybody, have a great day.